30 Lessons from One Up on Wall Street. Understand what you own and why you own it. Invest in companies you can explain in a single sentence. Don't overestimate your ability to predict the market. Focus on company fundamentals. Invest in companies with a strong brand and competitive advantage. Look for companies with low debt and strong cash flow. Invest in companies with a boring or unglamorous business model. Invest in what you know, like consumer goods you use daily. Be patient and let your investments grow over time. Pay attention to the earnings growth of a company. Avoid investing in hot stocks or following the crowd. Look for companies with a manageable number of products or services. Check if company insiders are buying their own stock. Investigate if the company has growth potential in its industry. Don't buy into hype or invest based on rumors. Understand the company's balance sheet and income statement. Look for companies with a history of paying and increasing dividends. Consider investing in companies that are expanding into new markets. Be skeptical of companies with overly complex business models. Don't worry about short-term fluctuations. Focus on long-term trends. Check if a company's product or service is difficult to replicate. Avoid companies that rely too much on a single customer or supplier. Look for companies where the founder is still actively involved. Diversify your investments to reduce risk. Invest in companies with simple business models you can explain to a child. Look for companies with consistent and predictable earnings. Check if a company's product or service solves a real problem. Be wary of companies with a rapid decline in stock price without clear reasons. Avoid companies with high valuations based on unrealistic growth expectations. Look for companies that can grow earnings faster than the economy. Invest in companies with a strong market position and growth potential. If you found this info helpful, hit that like button, share this with someone who needs to hear it, and don't forget to subscribe for more money tips and tricks. Got any thoughts or questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next video.